Okay, I would request you, Imrul Kayas and Mr. Jahidul Islam. Would you please start your conversation? Thank
Hello,
you, Baya.
Jahid Bhaiya.
Hello, Imrul Kayes. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing now?
I am practicing spoken English now. What are you doing?
I'm also practicing English and spoken class. Uh, Imrul Kayes, can you tell me what's your future plan?
Can you tell it again? I can't hear.
Can you tell me what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a computer engineer. What's your?
Uh, I am a private job holder. That's why my future plan is the management position in my company, in my organization, like that. What class do you read in?
I read in class 7. I hope
Yeah,
you
yeah.
complete your education.
Yes, I complete my graduation from engineering background. Uh,
Where are
how
you
family?
from?
Hello.
Hello.
Ah,
Where are you
hello.
from?
Uh, uh, I live in Dhaka, and my I completed my graduation from Uttara University. Uh, where you
I
read in?
also
And
Tora.
well, yes, yes, Uttara. Uh, can you tell me what is your uh, family members? How many family members in your family?
My family consists of 4 members: my father, my mother, my sister, and myself.
Good, good. Uh, 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 what is your where your home district?
My home district is Netrokona. What's your?
My home district is Tangail. Can you tell us the most famous things of your district?
The most famous things in my district, I hope, the Chunamatir Pahar. I hope you're
বিড়ি বিড়ি বিড়িশিরি
Durgapur, Girishiri, many things.
Oh, that's good. Uh, do you know in my district famous things?
Bhaiya, I can't hear your voice very well.
Hello, clear? Hello, are you here?
Hello. এখন clear.
Okay. Do you know the most famous things of my district?
I have no ideas.
No.
Sorry.
My uh, in my district's most famous things are Tangal Chom Chom, Tangal Chari. Do you hear about it?
Yes? Huh? Yes, I hear it. It is famous, the Tangal Chom Chom.
Yes, yes. So sweet. Uh,
Are
Imrul
you
guys,
doing IELTS?
sorry.
Are you doing now IELTS or preparing?
Uh, no. In future plan, I want to uh, I want to complete IELTS. Now I class for basic English to strong my basic concept of English.
How many members are there in your family?
Uh, in my family, 4 members: my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
What's your father?
My father is a businessman. She lives in Tangail. My mother, housemaker. My sister, reading class 9.
Oh. What's your full name?
আচ্ছা
My full